good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Matibay babies!
Welcome to Matibay Class, Ma'am Tintin. Katatapos lang natin ng Module 15 at tuloy-tuloy tayo sa ating Module 16.
Yes.
And I think connected po siya sa ating previous
Yes,
topic.
it is related to Module 15, so wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa.
Our topic for Module 16 is all about simple, ordinary, and exact interest.
Okay, kung kanina sa Module 15, interest lang tayo, ngayon magmamatter na siya if it is ordinary or exact interest. So, let's move on to our objectives.
We have two objectives, Ma'am Tintin. The first one is to define simple, ordinary, and exact interest. Ano nga bang pagkakaiba ng dalawang yan?
Yes, next is syempre to solve simple, ordinary, and exact interest.
We have our formula.
Ayan, formulas na tayo. We have our,
Oy, may panote. The
May
time
panote.
in interest is always expressed in years, kagaya ng sinabi natin
Yes.
kanina.
However,
some problems provide you the number of days, thus, we convert them in years.
Okay,
If
take
and
note of
only
that.
if the problem, ang given po ay days, kailangan muna natin i-convert into years.
Okay? And later on, ituturo namin kung papaano. So,
Ano
eto
nga
na
ba,
nga.
Ma'am Tintin, ang pinagkaiba ni ordinary and exact interest?
Yes.
Pareho silang interest. Ano nga bang pinagkaiba? When we talk on ordinary, ma'am, pakisabi.
When we talk about ordinary, we assume that there are 360 days in a year.
Meaning
So,
to say,
i-assume
ma'am,
natin,
30 days per month.
yes, na 360 lang yung araw natin sa isang buong taon.
Okay.
When we say exact naman, from the word itself, exact, we assume that there are 365 days in a year. Kailangan natin i-consider yung 31 days sa kalendaryo, yung 30 days, yung
Yes.
28 days sa kalendaryo.
And aside from that, ma'am, sa exact, kailangan din natin i-consider kung leap year o
Yes.
hindi ang given. So, mamaya,
Okay.
malalaman natin yan. Another information about ordinary, Ma'am Tintin. Ordinary interest is used by default should there be no specific kind of interest is stated in the problem. Kasi may
Yes.
mga problem, ma'am, na
Hindi
hindi niya
nabanggit.
sinasabi kung ordinary o exact ang ating anuhin.
So, take note na kapag
if
walang
that is the
nabanggit,
case, ordinary ang ating gagamitin.
okay. Next, let's go on with our examples. Okay, so yun lang ang tututukan natin dito is kapag ordinary interest siya, i-divide daw natin yung time kay 360 days. At kapag kay simple exact interest naman, same formula, I is equal to principal times rate times time. At kapag sinabing exact, yung time natin, i-divide natin kay 365 days. Para mas maintindihan, let's proceed with our example. Jana borrowed 2,500 pesos at 12% interest. How much would be the interest after 803 days? Letter A, problem. Use ordinary interest. Hahanapin daw natin ang kanyang interest using ordinary interest. So papaano yon? Kunin natin yung formula natin ng ordinary interest. We have I is equal to principal times rate times time since ordinary divided by 360 days. Next, kunin natin yung mga important details na given. Kung ano ang value ni I, kung ano ang value ni P, kung ano ang value ni R, at kung ano ang value ni time. Understood, hinahanap si interest, so our I is question mark. Ano ang ating principal? Borrowed 2,500. So, we have 2,500 pesos. Ang rate natin lagi ay yung merong percent. So, we have 12%. Or 12% is also equal to 0.12. Dahil pag dinivide mo yan sa 100, you will get 0.12. For time, we have 803 days. All over 360 dahil ordinary po ang hinahanap. So, isolve na natin agad para mas mabilis natin siyang i-substitute mamaya. So, we have, nakaon na ba? 803 divided by 360 days is equal to 2.23. 2 decimal points po ang kukunin natin. So, we have 2.23. I-substitute na natin siya ngayon sa ating formula. So, we have I is equal to principal natin is 2,500 times our rate is 0.12 times our time is 2.23. Input mo lang sa calculator kung paano ang pagkakasunod-sunod, ganun din ang hita-type. Times 0.12 times 2.23. Our ordinary interest is equal to ilan? 669. So, ang answer natin for letter A is 669. For letter B, use exact interest. Exact interest, our formula is I, P times R times time, 365. Kunin natin si I, P, R, T. Ang I natin kanina, question mark, principal, is same problem po ang gagamitin natin. Same problem. So, we have 2,500. Our rate is 12% pa rin, or 0.12. Our time is 803 days. Since ang hinahanap natin ay exact interest, divide it by 365. So, 803 divided by 365, ayan, is equal to 2.2. 2.2. Kompleto na, we can now substitute it sa ating formula. So, we have I is equal to principal na 2.5, rate na 0.12, and our time which is 2.2. Again, kung paano siya sinulat, ganun din ang pagkakasunod-sunod. 2.5 times 0.12 times 2.2 is equal to 660 pesos. So, for exact interest, we have 660 pesos. Ayan, pesos. Letter C, last. Find the difference between ordinary and exact interest. From the word itself, difference, anong gagawin natin?
Subtraction!
Just subtract. So, we have 669 minus 660 is equal to, ang hirap.
9. Ang hirap.
Ang hirap. It is equal to 9. Very big. Okay, we have this example na nakalagay sa inyong module. Ma'am, paano na pag ganyan ang given? Wala ka na may explain na ganyan, tapos sa exam, sige tapos sa exam, ang hirap-hirap na, ganyan. So, pag ganito ang given, actually, mas madali nga to kasi hindi mo na kailangang mag-analyze. In short, given na lahat. So, all you need to do is to substitute. For example, yan.
Formula ko na.
Ordinary and exact interest. Kung ano yung makukuha mong sagot, ilalagay mo lang sa box. Kunin natin itong pangalawa. So, you have principal, I is equal to principal times rate, time, all over 360. Dito sa kabila, I, principal, rate, time, 365. Unahin natin si ordinary interest. So, you have I is equal to, principal mo is 275,000 times, rate mo is 9%. Kapag kinuha mo yan into decimal point, you will get 0.09 times days. We have 730 days all over 360 days. So, I is equal to, input mo lang sa calculator ulit. Meron yung iba pala, meron yung iba, hindi kagandahan yung calculator. So, para hindi ka malito, kunin mo muna yan. So, kunin muna natin yan for the sake of those students. 275.
Kulang na 0.
Ayan, times 0.09. Nabagtit na. 730 divided by 360 is equal to, ayan, 2 decimal point po ulit, 2.03. I now is equal to 275,000 times 0.09 times 2.03. It is equal to, ayan, 50,242.5. Kapag ordinary, so isulat natin dyan, we have 50,242.5. Let's proceed with exact interest.
Papalitan mo lang ng 365.
Yes, papalitan mo lang yung 360 ng 365. So, I is equal to copy 275,000 times 0.09 times 730 all over 365. Take note, pinalitan ko lang yung 360 ng 365 ay 275,000. 0.09. Ayan. So, 730 divided by 365, you will get 2. Our interest will be 275,000 times 0.09 times 2. Okay, so you have 49,500 pesos. So, kapag exact interest ang hinahanap, you have 49,500 pesos. So, okay, so ginawa na natin yung unang question. Kayo na rin ang magtuloy sa mga susunod.
Maawa kayo.
Okay, so if you have any questions, clarifications, feel free to ask. Tagtarin nyo ng message si Sir Jason. Bye-bye!